Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two drones on our table for comparison: the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the brushless motor drone with camera. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Bwine F7GB2 drones are priced at $619, while the brushless motor drone with camera comes in at a more affordable $199. So, if you're on a budget, the brushless motor drone might be the better option for you. Moving on to the camera capabilities, both drones offer impressive features. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come with a 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal, allowing you to capture stunning video and photos at up to 3840 by 2160 resolution. On the other hand, the brushless motor drone with camera also boasts a 4K camera with a 120 degrees adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, giving you a broader shooting range and a breathtaking field of view. Both drones provide excellent camera capabilities, but the Bwine F7GB2 drones might have a slight edge with its mechanical gimbal and digital zoom. Flight time is an essential factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come with two intelligent batteries that provide a total flight time of up to 50 minutes, which is quite impressive. On the other hand, the brushless motor drone with camera offers a flight time of up to 40 minutes with its two 1,600 mAh batteries. While both drones offer decent flight times, the Bwine F7GB2 drones give you an extra 10 minutes in the air. When it comes to wind resistance, the Bwine F7GB2 drones claim to have level 6 wind resistance thanks to their low-noise brushless motors. This means you can enjoy a quieter and more stable flight experience, even in windy conditions. The brushless motor drone with camera also features strong wind resistance capabilities, thanks to its built-in altitude hold system and optical flow positioning. Both drones offer reliable wind resistance, ensuring smooth and steady flights. Video transmission range is crucial if you want to capture footage from a distance. The Bwine F7GB2 drones boast an impressive extended video transmission range of up to 3 kilometers or 9,800 feet, providing you with crisp images and smooth video even from afar. The brushless motor drone with camera also offers real-time panoramic views and allows you to easily share them on your social media platforms. While both drones offer excellent video transmission capabilities, the Bwine F7GB2 drones have a slightly longer range. Lastly, let's talk about additional features. The Bwine F7GB2 drones come equipped with intelligent GPS-assisted features, including GPS auto-return, follow me, and waypoints, ensuring a safe and convenient flying experience. The brushless motor drone with camera also offers multiple functions such as high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and more. Both drones provide a range of features to suit your needs, making them suitable for beginners and skilled players alike. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two drones. And that wraps up our comparison between the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the brushless motor drone with camera. As always, the final choice depends on your preferences and budget. If you're looking for top-notch camera capabilities and longer flight time, the Bwine F7GB2 drones might be the better option for you. However, if you're on a budget and still want a reliable drone with impressive features, the brushless motor drone with camera is a great choice. Don't forget to check the description for each product for more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.